My name is Ben Boffa, Operations Manager at Bluestar Marine, the leaders in yacht air quality solutions. Today, we're working on a 191-foot Trinity. Let's go take a look.
We understand the unique challenges and complexity found in yachts, and our comprehensive cleaning process ensures the cleaning and restoration of the HVAC system. Unlike other companies, we go beyond the surface. You're getting the best services from our technicians who are experts in the field and have been rigorously trained. We make sure to protect the interior of all vessels by following our strict safety protocol. Bluestar Marine stands out above the rest because of our attention to detail and outstanding customer service. We invest in state-of-the-art technology to ensure the best results possible. Besides our comprehensive HVAC cleaning and sanitization services, we perform galley exhaust cleaning, mold remediation, odor removal, and anything related to indoor air and ventilation efficiency in yachts.
Based in the heart of South Florida's yachting scene, with offices in Fort Lauderdale and Riviera Beach, we're perfectly situated to service yachts from all over the world, visiting Palm Beach, Broward, and Miami-Dade.